Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which SSD you have and why that matters. 2. 5. SATA uses different connectors than M. 2 NVMe and M. 2 keys determine fit. Once done, open the enclosure now and lay out the screw and cable so you don't lose parts. Make sure to use a grounded surface. Static can damage components. At this stage, you're preparing the workspace and tools so the physical install goes cleanly and quickly. No hunting for drivers yet. Now insert the SSD into the enclosure carefully. Line up the connector and push straight until it seats. For M, 2 angle the card to the standoff and lower gently. Once seated, fasten the mounting screw or clip so the drive won't wiggle, and add a thermal pad on NVMe modules to reduce throttling. Next, close the enclosure and attach the provided cable. Choose USB-C or USB 3. One to match the enclosure and laptop for best speed. Make sure the connection is firm. Finish by powering the enclosure and watching your laptop detect new hardware. You may need to initialize or format the drive in Disk Management or Disk Utility. Once formatted, copy a large file or run a benchmark to confirm throughput matches your interface expectations. Speeds tell you if you hit a bottleneck. If nothing shows up, swap the cable or try another USB port. Check BIOS/Thunderbolt permissions, and confirm the enclosure supports your SSD type. This single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.